and welcome to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to compare my two cousins, which is Jasmine and Aline. So, before anything else, I would like to introduce myself. I am Krista May Baguio, and I will be the one to discuss about the behavior of our observations to this activity. So the first one is Jocelyn. So compared to Aline, Jocelyn is more extrovert because upon doing the observations, and also they are both my cousins, so I know their behavior so well. So Jocelyn is so like Buddhist person, so she's like a friend for all. So in terms of interactions to other people, so she has this social emotional skills like during our observations, I can say that she has this like putting her shoes into the situations of others. So while Aline is very introvert herself because whenever strangers approaches her, she doesn't talk. Like you need to build rapport in order for her to answer your like questions or if you have queries. So also, so if talking about their behaviors, of course, Aling is more like maldita. So she's so like those. She has those traits like usually those silent person is very maldita. And while Jocelyn is, I can say that she's kind also because she knows to like interact and to jive with other people. And of course, if they both like play together, and they can also like magkisidabot. And of course, if there are others like our cousins and friends or neighbors, they can enjoy playing also. And there's no fight at all because they are girls. I can po na Aling is very like familiar because her father is kalagad in our kapilya sa simbahan. And Justin also is of course her mother is Catholic. So I have no issues regarding their behaviors or like doing bad traits. It's because they our aunties and uncles raised them well. So I guess that's all that we have observed during our observations in this activity. And that would be all. Thank you for watching.